How to permanently delete your Snapchat account. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy method to deactivate your Snapchat account. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Snapchat, tap on the profile icon at the top left, and then tap on gear icon at the top right. Once you do that, you should scroll down where you will have an option to deactivate your account. So what you basically have to do is just scroll down and you'll have this option called delete account. So you basically have to tap on delete account over here, and then you should be able to get to this next page. Just go ahead and log in with your user ID or email. I'll just quickly log in over here, tap on next, and then you can just enter your password. So you will be asked to enter the password to verify your account. They will send you a verification code on your email. And if you have an authenticator app, you can use that code. You may also enter your recovery code. That could also work. And once you enter the code and verify, you should be able to delete your account permanently. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.